So it's slowly beginning to turn the colors. But by next week, by October 5th, it should be getting nicer out here with the fall colors. But it's beginning to turn. I'll be back here to the river area maybe in another 2 weeks. That's when it gets really nice out here, because this is the last place in New Mexico that turns. This is in the valley. So next week I'm hoping to go see the aspen trees turning colors. Possibly I'll head up to the Sandia Mountains or to Jemez. I went to Pecos last weekend, and it is so dry up there that it looks like the trees were going from green to brown because it's just too dry. Even the Santa Fe mountain ski area, Santa Fe ski area, was really dry, and the trees were turning from green to brown. That happens when it's just so dry that the trees just don't turn. So here, some of these other ones are beginning to turn.